This is Dora Bailey talking to you in front of the Lerner Theater in downtown Elkhart. We are breathlessly awaiting the arrival of Premier Arts' next musical production, Singing in the Rain. Considered to be the greatest movie musical of all time, Singing in the Rain has been faithfully and lovingly adapted for the stage. This timeless story follows the stars of classic Hollywood, Don Lockwood and Lena Lamont, along with emerging starlet Kathy Selden and Don's lifelong pal, Cosmo Brown, as they sing, tap, and stumble through the changing tides of the film industry and all the juicy drama that comes with it. Each unforgettable scene, song, and dance is accounted for, including the show-stopping title number, complete with an on-stage rainstorm. And you definitely don't want to miss the very special all-youth production on Saturday afternoon at 3 p.m. For tickets to this exclusive event, call or visit the Lerner Theater box office or purchase them online at www.premierarts.org. All will be dying to be in attendance this weekend only for this must-see event when Premier Arts proudly presents Singing in the Rain.